Artificial intelligence is changing everything. Today, I'm going to show you how AI can restore old damaged photos and bring forgotten memories back to life. Using powerful AI tools, we can remove scratches, repair blurry faces, colorize black and white images, and transform old photos into cinematic masterpieces. And the best part, you don't need professional editing skills. So in this video, I'll show you the full process step by step using Adobe Firefly AI. Let's begin and transform your photos today.
So first we open Adobe Firefly AI. This is one of the most powerful AI creative tools available right now. It can generate images, enhance quality, remove objects, create realistic effects, and even restore old damaged photos automatically using artificial intelligence. Now for today's video, I'm using this old damaged image. As you can see, the photo has scratches, faded colors, blurry details, and visible damage. Normally, restoring a photo like this would take hours in professional editing software. But today, AI will do most of the hard work for us. So the first thing we need to do is upload the image into Adobe Firefly. Once the image is uploaded, we'll use a professional AI prompt to tell the system exactly what we want. And yes, you can even use ChatGPT to generate powerful prompts like this automatically. Now I'm going to paste this restoration prompt. The prompt tells the AI to repair damaged areas, restore missing details, sharpen blurry textures, improve lighting, and create a cinematic realistic result while keeping the original look authentic. After pasting the prompt, simply click Generate. Now this is where the magic happens. Adobe Firefly starts analyzing the image using AI technology. It detects scratches, cracks, faded areas, facial details, and blurry sections automatically. And within seconds, the photo begins transforming into something incredible. Look closely at the details. The scratches are disappearing. The face becomes sharper. The lighting looks more cinematic. Even the textures and depth start looking realistic. And honestly, this still feels unreal. Now let's compare the before and after. This old damaged image that once looked faded and blurry now looks clean, sharp, cinematic, and professionally restored. And remember, all of this was done with AI. Now we're going to make things even more impressive. This time, we'll colorize an old black and white photo using AI. So once again, I upload another image. This photo is completely black and white. Now I'll paste another powerful prompt that tells the AI to create realistic natural colors while preserving the emotions and historical authenticity of the original image. After clicking Generate, watch what happens. The AI begins adding realistic skin tones, clothing colors, lighting, shadows, and facial details automatically. And the final result looks absolutely amazing. The black and white image now feels alive again. This is why AI photo restoration videos are becoming so popular right now. People love seeing old memories transformed into modern cinematic images. Now here's a quick important tip. Adobe Firefly has free daily limits. So if the system asks for payment, or if your credits run out, you can simply log in using another Gmail account and continue using the free version. Also, higher quality old photos usually produce better restoration results. Now, let's restore a few more photos quickly. As you can see, every transformation feels unique and powerful. Some photos become sharper, some get realistic colors, and some look like scenes from a movie. And honestly, this is only the beginning of what AI can do.
So, this is what AI can do. From damaged old memories to cinematic masterpieces in just minutes. And this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to discover more powerful AI tools, creative tutorials, and futuristic content, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Comment below which photo transformation was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. And I'll see you in the next AI journey. See you next time.